Hi there guys, today we are going to show you how to fix the blue screen of death error on Windows 10. This method is tested and working. With this you can fix it if the error is not caused by a physically damaged hardware, so proceed with confidence. The blue screen of death or BSOD error is caused by pool corruption, means a hardware problem with the system's hard drive, or let's say a corrupted file system. This can occur when your device's hardware or software has issues, or a malware or attacker can cause this as well. The first thing we are going to do is try to repair the boot sector on your hard drive. Then we are going to try to find and fix the file system if it's corrupted. Since we don't know what caused the issue in your case, I recommend to do both. So let's get started. Since we are now dealing with the BSOD error, our system might crash at any moment in the normal Windows mode. So I recommend you to do the first step by utilizing the advanced startup options. For that, go to your Start menu, click on the Settings gear icon, and from Settings window, go to Update and Security. Now go to Recovery and click on the Restart Now button under the Advanced Startup section. Wait for a moment and you will see these options. From here, go to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options. Now choose Command Prompt, which will restart your system. Now choose your Microsoft account, enter your password and hit Continue. And this will open up the Command Prompt window. Now to repair your boot sector, enter the command boot SCCD /NT60/S5S and hit enter. You can find all the command lines in the video description as well. Now type in boot /fix boot and hit enter. And we have fixed the boot sector on your hard drive. Now we are going to rebuild the boot configuration data. For that, enter the following command line. Boot /rebuild BCD and press enter. Wait for a moment, and we have completed the operation successfully. Now to scan your hard drive, especially your system partition furthermore, type in chkdsk C:, and hit enter. It will scan and fix your system drive further if there is an error. Wait for it to finish the process. Once it's completed, you can close the command prompt and reboot into your normal Windows 10. It isn't over yet. Now we have to diagnose the file system for corrupted files. So go to your Start menu, search Command Prompt. Now right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. That will open your command prompt with elevated permissions. Now we can run a command to check your Windows file system for file corruption. And hopefully we can find the corrupted files that caused the BSOD and fix them. So type in the following command, bison.exe /online/cleanup-image/restore health. Please make sure to enter it correctly and with space before each /. For your convenience, I also added these command lines to the video description so that you can copy it from there and directly paste into your CMD using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V. Once you do that, you can hit enter, which will start to repair the Windows image. It will take some time, so let's wait for it to finish. Once it's finished, you will see a message that says the restore operation completed successfully. So it is time to run the second command line, which is SFC /scan now. Once you do, hit enter, and it will start scanning your system for corrupted files, and it's gonna verify them and fixes them automatically if it finds any. So all you need to do is sit tight. It will take a while. It has completed the process, and as you can see, it says Windows Resource Protection found corrupted files and successfully repaired them. And I think we have successfully fixed your blue screen of death error on your Windows 10. By any unfortunate circumstances, if the problem still exists, or it's beyond what this fix can do, you can always check your Windows logger to continue the diagnosis to know what actually caused it. To access the Windows logger, go to the Start menu, search Event Viewer, and inside Custom Views, click on Administrative Events, and here you can check what caused the blue screen of death in your scenario. It is where your Windows records every major system events. Google the error and try to do a little research if you don't know what to make of it. As I said earlier, there are other aspects to this, like a faulty hardware. In the worst case scenario, your fix might require you to entirely replace a hardware part, or can be as simple as resetting your improperly seated RAM. So that's how you can fix your blue screen of death error in Windows 10. Hope it works for you. Let us know your experience below. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like if you do, share with your friends if you found the video helpful, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to find more useful content like this.